decided to go on an early ride this morning to film some of the national park thing. Yeah, luckily got good light. There are not that many people here yet, but I think I have maybe half an hour left. I finally got a chance to get on the beach. There's this really long line, but it's all in hotels, all private areas, so you can't even get to the beach. And here there's like this tiny path that you can crawl through. Not the best beach, no one looks up to it. A lot of plastic that washed up. At least there are no people here. I'm not gonna swim because I'm planning to go to another cenote later on, so I need to head back on my breakfast. This is actually alright. I might come here tomorrow, day after tomorrow. There's no one here, so it means it's perfect for me. I decided that I just simply won't be able to forgive myself if I don't jump into this water. It's not the most beautiful beach, but it's kind of like my beach. Temperature is perfect. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's refreshing. I made it to Casa Cenote, one of the most famous ones here. It's basically a little river in the mangrove forest. Can explore it now. No people at all here. Fun. I think I'm in the area where I'm not supposed to be. This is where the access is only available with a guide, but I dove underneath the mangroves and got here. No one here. No one here. It's really nice diving in all those caves and underneath the rocks. Honestly, so much fun. By the sea. I think I finally found a place where I can see the reef. It was a nice afternoon back in the hotel. I had a very long nap and also finally got time to work on some photos. Still from Canada. For me, I think the most annoying part about being in Tulum is that it doesn't really fit my schedule because there's nothing I can do in the afternoon. I don't really go out before 3 or 4 because it's too hot for me, and everything closes at 5. So I'm just gonna go try to find some secluded beach and watch the sunset there. Finally made it to the beach. It was a really annoying ride because I had to pass the entire tourist street. I just can't even imagine why people want to do it. Can't relate to that at all. Someone would probably call it bad weather, but I think it's actually quite nice. In places like these where it's always hot, you gotta cherish some coolness.